Hello everyone, welcome to edquest and the innovating world of generative AI. Are you curious about magic behind those incredible AI images, catchy tunes, and even helpful chatbots? That's the power of generative AI. In simple terms, Gen AI is like teaching computers how to be creative. Instead of just following instructions, they learn from tons of existing data and then create something new, like text, images, audio, and even videos. Think of it as AI becoming an artist, a writer, or an innovator. So, why Gen AI? What problems does it solve? And why is it such a big deal? Imagine AI helping you brainstorm ideas, write drafts, or even create personalized marketing materials, saving your time and efforts. After learning this course, how will you get benefited? In this course, you will go from understanding the basics to actually creating with Gen AI. You will learn how to use these tools to boost your creativity, solve real world problems, and become more efficient in your work, no matter your current field. You will gain practical skills that can give you a real edge. So there is a big fuss around AI that it is going to snatch your jobs. So is it actually true or not? Let's discuss. While AI will definitely change some jobs, the bigger picture is about new opportunities being created. By learning Gen AI, you are positioning yourself to work alongside AI, becoming more valuable and skilled. Think of it as learning a new and a powerful tool to enhance what you already do. As they say, the future belongs to those who learn the skills of future. Generative AI is a key skill for tomorrow, and this course can help you step confidently into that future. So what are the possible career options that you can explore after completing this course? You will have a range of exciting options. You could explore roles in content creation, marketing, design, software development, research, and many more. You will be equipped to leverage Gen AI in your current role or pivot to new in-demand positions. So what exactly will you master in this course? What exactly are you going to learn? We have designed a powerful learning journey to get you hands-on with generative AI. First is Introduction to Gen AI. We'll be telling about what generative AI actually is. Why should you learn it? What are the industry use cases? Understanding what Gen AI truly is and how is it shaping our world. Next is about low-code, no-code AI tools. We will be telling you about automation and we'll be using tools like Zapier and Make. Next is prompt engineering, learning the art of talking to AI effectively. You will be creating perfect prompts using the effective techniques and doing the hands-on projects along with assignments. Next is Introduction to RAG. RAG is a great technique that is used in generative AI. So you will be learning about RAG, what are its core components, how to use RAG. Next is full-scale RAG. So now we will be implementing RAG in a full-scale manner, diving deep into building robust AI systems that provide highly relevant and context-aware responses. So here we'll be talking about the need of RAG. What are the components that are used? What is the architecture? And we will also be introducing LangChain into it. Next is agentic RAG. We'll be talking about AI agents, which is a hot topic these days. We will be distinguishing between RAG and agentic RAG also. There will be introduction of LangGraph in the agentic RAG. And as usual, there will also be hands-on project and an assignment for you. Next, we'll be talking about MCP, which is Model Context Protocol. We will be studying about core components of MCP. What is its architecture? How does it work? And there will be a project and assignment related to it. Lastly, we will be talking about future of generative AI. Now you have learned about generative AI. Now you have actual real-time projects. We will be talking about what are the capabilities of LLMs. What are the real world use case scenarios? And after learning this course, how can you grow in your career? What are the career options after it? So by the end of this course, you won't just understand GenAI, you will be actively building and innovating with it. So let's summarize what we are going to learn in this course. There will be introduction about generative AI, then low code, no code AI tools, then we'll be shifting to prompt engineering, then we will be introducing retrieval augmented generation, which is RAG. We will be studying about full scale RAG. After that, using AI agents, we will be working on agentic RAG. After that, we'll shift on to model context protocol, which is MCP. After that, we will talk about what is the future of generative AI, how is it useful for you. And lastly, in every module, we will be building real-time AI projects that will be useful in your career and building your resume.